In this video, I will explain how long Cloudflare downtime usually lasts and what you can expect if your website is affected. If you are seeing errors or your site is not loading, you might be wondering how long Cloudflare stays down and when things will return to normal. First, most Cloudflare outages are short and often last only a few minutes to under an hour. Cloudflare has a large global network, so issues are usually fixed quickly. However, in rare cases, larger incidents can take several hours depending on the cause, such as network failures or system updates. Next, the best way to check how long an outage will last is by visiting the Cloudflare status page. This page shows real-time updates, ongoing incidents, and estimated resolution times. You can also check social media or developer communities to see if others are experiencing the same problem. Finally, if your site is down, there is usually nothing you need to do on your end except wait for Cloudflare to resolve the issue. You can try basic steps like clearing cache or switching networks, but if it is a global outage, the fix will come from Cloudflare. That is it. Now you know how long Cloudflare downtime usually lasts and what to expect.